Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today we're going to be doing another quick, easy breezy makeup video. I've started my face because I didn't really want a 3-hour long video, unless that's what you guys are into. Leave the comments down below to let me know if that's what you guys are into. But so far, as you can see, I've contoured my face now. That means I've primed, and that means my eyebrows are done and my foundation is on. So I'm just going to press this product into my face. And I know this concealer is not my usual, or if you're new to this channel, this concealer is not my usual. This is my sister's shade, and this is what I normally use on my under my the brow arch to give it that emphasis. And today, because I'm going for a dramatic look, like I really want to stand out, I am definitely using a little lighter shade, and it goes a long way, people. So I wonder what's going on in your lives. Y'all being safe, being productive, being creative. I'm telling you, doing makeup and talking takes a lot of concentration. Like, I can't even talk. I can't even talk. Blending, we're just blending out this product into my skin. And my beauty blender is damp, so it helps with pressing the product into my skin to give that seamless hairbrush feel, to make you feel like that celebrity on the red carpet, you know. So today is a beautiful sunny day, and I'm like, why not seize the day and do a makeup video, you know? To be honest, I've been just feeling sore because I've been working out, you know, new lifestyle, but I've been feeling extremely sore, and I haven't worked out yet, but I'm trying to incorporate that by the time the day should end. I'm trying to work out every single day, if at least 30 minutes. I love to use Jillian Michaels, Bob, I think his name is Bob Harper, from what's that show called? It's a fitness show where a lot of trainers go on. I forgot what it's called right now, but their workouts work. Like, your legs be sore, you can't stand, you can't bend, you don't even want to eat, because if you chew, you know, your body aches. But I'm about to take this fitness lifestyle to a whole nother level. I really do. And it's not just about fitness, it's a lifestyle. It's not about meeting the ideals of what the world thinks is healthy. I want to be healthy for me, because I'm young, and soon enough I want to have children, and I work a lot, and I be at work a lot of long hours, and sometimes stuff like that helps to deteriorate your body, and I just want to make sure that I'm at least making an effort to keep my body healthy, and my mind as well, because working out is good for clarity. So I'm just gonna keep blending. You see that? So yes guys, if I continue talking, I would be on my face still contouring, so I had to, you know, speed it up a little bit. However, back to the eyes. So now my face is setting, and I want to do blue today because I'm just feeling, I don't know if the Princess Jasmine in me, you know, or what, but I think I'm gonna do blue. I am gonna do blue. I don't think, I know I'm gonna do blue. So I'm gonna go in with this like burn brown right here. Kind of has a burn brown look, and I'm gonna put that, infuse that into my crease, and I'm gonna make sure that when I it's pretty. So because blue is like a bold color, it's a statement color in this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna need a very, you know, toned down transition color. I can't use like another bold color, if you get what I'm saying, unless like you're doing like a carnival look or something. I mean, this could be worn as a carnival look, this look. And I'm just diffusing that over the top of my crease under my brown bow, making sure that the product stands out. See? It's like a burnt brown, because it's not like a brown. It's like my color palette, the way I describe colors, it's for others to understand it. Burnt normally mean on the darker side. It's like a, how would I explain this? It's a burnt brown, but it's not like an ugly burnt, if you know what I'm saying. It's not something that you're gonna be like, no, that is too ugly to go over my crease. Or this will be perfect for if you want to do like a natural quick eyeshadow look. You can just put this over your lid and you're straight. And just blend in. And now it's time I decided today to use another palette because I've been using one palette for a very long time. I love the palette, however, I got to do different looks and, you know, keep my audience interested. So this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. If you want like a natural eye look, look at my eyelids. See that? All right, so now that I'm done with my transition color, I'm gonna go into getting my lid with this blue, So my intention for my lid today, I'm gonna add where is my eyeshadow brush? So the shadow I'm using, it's very pigmented. However, it's easily falls everywhere. See, it's pretty. However, it's very destructive. Look at my eyes. See, I'm gonna have to smudge that out and blend it with that color in the back. Don't worry about that. We're working on it. We're building. So as you can see, guys, I've smudged it out. You see that, how it's blended. However, I need to go in with this blue right here, and I'm gonna pop that into the center. I love building colors. This shade is not real pigmented. I don't know what's going on. I see it, but it's not giving me the pop. I have another blue in my older palette. Where is she? Let's see if she will come through and do me justice, because so this blue right here, this is the one I'm gonna have to use to help emphasize my eyelids, because I don't know what's going on with this one. I'm seeing it. Oh. You see that shade popping in between? That's what I want to see. But I need it to be a little bit more dramatic. So I'm just... It's coming together, guys. Don't worry. Makeup is all about expressing your creative abilities. So guys, look at the progress. I blended it. So now I'm just gonna go on my bottom lid and smudge this color on. See? I need to stock up on some good palettes. Loving it. So guys, I have this silver color and I'm gonna use this over in the back of my eye. What do you call that? Back here. I'm tired, people. Every day I'm tired. But I'm gonna use that in the crease of my eyes to help make the eye look a little bit more dramatic. So as you can see, I've removed my baking powder. I finished up my eyes. See that? And I popped on some lashes, and I'm just gonna go in with some lip gloss because we gotta get those lips taken care of. And the lips doesn't have to be anything fancy. If you want to go ahead, you know, put on some nude or like a soft pink, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm just gonna use some regular schmegular drugstore clear gloss to finish off this look. This bump right here, I tell you, she's just stressing me out. And that completes the look. If you want to even use like a shimmer lip gloss, like a clear one, that will be good too. Just a light shimmery pink or nude, nothing too overly dramatic, because the eyes are already speaking so many blue volumes, you know, blue and silver. Like I'm giving like a whole heap of vibes. So this is the finished product, and you can see the blend of the silver in the back. I didn't just do one silver line because I really want it to be dramatic and I really want my eyes to pop. So I went in and I just smudged it out a bit, and as you can see, look at the back with the color, the blends, and my lashes and my bottom lashes. I tried making it a little, you know, longer with my mascara. I was gonna line my lower lid and I'm like So yes, silver and blue for you guys today. Very beautiful. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more of these videos on my channel. Thank you so much for stopping and clicking and watching the entire video. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.